Hey guys, let's go through resetting the receiver on a ET500 motor. Let's get into it. First thing we are going to do is we are going to remove power from the PC board. We will now bridge out the 3 pins that says BT, center pin and PED. We will now return power to the PC board. You will keep an eye on the RX LED which is flashing. Once it stops flashing and it goes solid, we will now remove power from the PC board once more. You can now remove your bridge and return power to the PC board. You will see that when you're testing a remote that was previously working, it's no longer working. Your receiver has been reset.